beautiful people, it's your girl Lonna. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a highly anticipated video, these LV drip nails. So we're just gonna get right to it. Let's go. So as you can see, I added a bit of a twist and did rainbow drip instead since it's not Halloween time, but it's neither here nor there. So I had a Valentino number 6 from the Victoria collection, which is one of my faves, especially for like in a darker nude. And you know me, I'm brown skin, a little chocolate or whatever, so it looks really good. It's just a big switch from glamorous nude, but I love it. So I'm just matting all 5 fingers. I only did one hand, so you're gonna mat those straight off the bat. Alright, so those beauties have been cured, so we're gonna go on and just go to Google and grab a quick like LV print, just so you know what it is you're looking at or mimicking. And from there, I believe I'm using number 15 from the Valentino gel polish collection. Don't quote me, it'll be in the description. And I'm just taking my liner brush and basically just copying the LV print design, taking my time, trying to make sure it's as close to on point as possible. I'm not a machine or whatever, but I'm trying my best. That's all we can ever do. So just copying the print one little piece at a time, basically one portion of the logo at a time. And this took a while. This is in real time. I didn't speed it up just so you guys can see that I pretty much take my time when it comes to, hand painting in general, but these kind of things when you're copying the monogram. So yeah, don't rush this at all. first LV is done, and I'm not going to cure it. Instead, I'm just going to move on to another portion of that, what is that, the print that I had screenshot, and try to get it, you know, basically on point as far as like the placement and how far apart each little piece of the monogram is away from one another. And yeah, just do the same thing. Don't cure. Try to keep the spacing the same. And I think I'm going to do one more after this one since it's pretty much off to the side. But, you know, still trying to get it as on point as possible. One more time. Do not cure. You want this to be wet. We're not going to cure this. It's a key thing in this process. Don't cure. Don't cure. Don't cure. Didn't want to focus. My giant thumb was in the way, but I made sure that I kind of pulled back a little bit, not only so I could see what I was doing, but so you guys could see as well. So, you know, enjoy that. I hope you guys didn't cure. I'm sorry to keep reiterating it, but it's important. Don't cure any of these. This is all wet. Okay. Okie dokie, all done. So I'm gonna grab my Valentino 6 and a cuticle pusher and a little scooper on the back, and I'm basically just sugaring everything that I just did. That's why I said it was important. We did not cure, okay? And that's just what gives it that like texture look that the bloody Louis Vuitton nails had. It's the same thing, same concept. Her nails were a little bit shorter, so that's why the monogram's a bit bigger, you know, but that's okay. Still the same thing. Still gonna come off flawless. Then you could cure, and then we're just gonna dust it off. The other 4 fingers are done. This is what we have. If you like to stop at this point because you just wanted the texture, go for it. I purposely left some space at the top for the drip so it won't run into each other. But if you want to do the whole nail, you know, go for it and do you. But we're gonna add the drip right here. And I did the same thing with the Louis Vuitton blood drip. Like I can keep saying that I did the same thing, just a slightly different version. But you know, I just thought it would be nice to add a pop of color. It is fall, but you know, doesn't mean we gotta forget about all the colorful stuff. It's right up my alley, you guys should know. I love bright colors. I'll put in the description what colors I use for this as well, because don't get me to lying, I'll just be blurting out random colors, and I can't have y'all thinking I don't know what I'm talking about. I wanted to do something a little different and have like 2 colors dripping, and I kind of fake blended them at a point where they met too. You know, nothing too, wasn't worried about it being too harsh or anything like that. But yeah, so you know, let's do that. If we're doing this together, let's do this step with this blue. It's a really pretty color, by the way, just on its own. So just like I said before, I did the other 4 nails, so I'm just wiping them all with alcohol. It won't mess up the texture design because we've already cured it. I just personally didn't want to top coat the drip. You totally can, but I like the way it looked without it. And voila, there we have it. Super cute. I'm super excited to record this tutorial for you guys. So if you guys inspired by this or recreate this, please tag me. I also want to let you guys know I have another Instagram called Nice Fingertips. It's an Instagram I created to give exclusive tips and tricks and Q&As and stuff. $50 one-time fee, you know, just if you're looking for something additional. But other than that, we're at the end of our tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys. And yeah, per usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, it's crazy and hard times out there right now, so don't forget to be nice on purpose.